everyone, now I'm going to show how the bag of words work. So the bag of words is a method to find the frequency of the number of words is repeated in the bag. So we enter a few words as like a few fruits like apple, orange, pineapple, and again if we enter apple, we will show the frequency of the apple. So we create a table called words and a local function called insert or update. If the word is so what we do is it will insert a word which is new, or else it will update its count if it already exists in the words table. So imagine the words is a bag of words, which is a big bag with all the words inside it. If not, it will just keep it as usual. The words of word is equal to 1. While true, we will be inputting few words. So local line is equal to io.read, and we have query comma word. So what we will be doing is, it's not necessary to have a space. We don't want any space to be entered before the first query. And then we have percentage s plus space, which is optional, and percentage s star, which is optional, because we will be we might be having we will not be adding anything else. So if query is equal to store, then insert or update word. So we'll be calling the local function here, and then we have if query is equal to minimum question mark, it will find the minimum number of words, alphabetically the smallest word. So here if first word or current word is similar, then it will assign the minimum word to word. If no words exist, then it will show indefinite minimum. So if it is found, it will show the smallest word and its count. And this is for maximum, which is the opposite way. So here we have lesser than for word, but here we have greater than we have again greater than for count. So in delete, we will be deleting the word by setting the words of word to nil. And if the frequency is greater than 1, it will just decrement it by 1. And then if finally to break out from the loop and stop the program, you can type quit. So let's run this program. So now the input output is started. So I'll add store apple, again store lychee, and one more something like store and now again if I enter apples, the frequency will increase, but make sure that the make sure that the apple is not lowercase, as the capital A is not lowercase. If you have entered a smaller a at the first, then you can also enter the smaller a at first, or create another or else it will create another new value for capital Apple and small apple. So one more apple I'll set, and if I find minimum question mark, it'll show apple because it's the smallest word in this full list and it's repeated 3 times. So let me tell search like maximum. So it's again apple 3 times. So yeah, later on I'll explain how to find the more on unique numbers and even on codes or Lua. Thank you.